The video after the channel introduction music is entirely generated by AI using the publicly available stock videos. The script of the video was generated using ChatGPT, and the scenes to the video were intelligently matched by AI software. And I was blown away by the results. So I decided to post the video for you to judge if you really like what you see in this upcoming video. Now, how did I do it? I will make a detailed tutorial video showing all my tools and workflow if I get 100 likes on this video, so do leave a like if you want to see how I did it.
Okay, let's go.
How to be a millionaire in 5 years. An AI-generated video montage showcasing the most realistic way of doing so. Sit back, relax, and judge AI's efforts. We're constantly bombarded with ads for get-rich-quick businesses like dropshipping, crypto, stock trading, AI, or whatever else is in vogue at the moment in the wantrepreneur space. The thing is, this mentality, in my experience, is actually what holds people back from achieving sustainable wealth. See, many of us want to be a lion in business, making a killing, hunting for the next big trend, and aiming to create the next unicorn. But let me tell you why that's not always the best strategy. Compare a lion who lives stressed and vigilant for 8-10 years to a tortoise who lives a long, prosperous, enjoyable life of up to 150 years on their own terms. Tortoises are chill. They eat some grass and maybe take a swim every now and again. If danger strikes, they shrink into their hard external shell so predators cannot kill them. They live a long, prosperous, enjoyable life on their own terms. So, would you rather be a lion or a tortoise in business? As an entrepreneur for over half a decade and a self-made millionaire at 38, I've discovered a philosophy that I call the tortoise way of doing business, and I choose tortoise every time. And let me explain why. Listen carefully, as this is the most important point here. And to accentuate this message, let's borrow a powerful saying from the investing world. It's not timing the market, it's time in the market. Investing legends like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger do not try and time the market. Instead, they find a good market, get into it, and spend a lot of time in that market. Here's what I learned after staying in the business for years. Revenue grew, steadily but surely, each year. I grew a reputation in our industry, which resulted in word-of-mouth sales happening. My skills increased each year so I could provide a better service, close more sales, and increase efficiency. As I helped more clients, they started to refer us to their friends and others in their network who could benefit from our services too. We grew a team, and I put systems in place so the business started to take less of my time to achieve even better results and income. These things didn't happen overnight. They took 2-3 years to really start compounding on one another. But I made a lot more money than the vast majority of people who were trying their hand at shiny object businesses. This brings me to the second most important point. The tortoise way of doing business requires relationships over transactions. I can't stress enough how powerful this is. If you can establish a real relationship with a client, they will not only stay with you for a longer period of time and make repeat purchases, they will tell their network about you too. If you see business as purely transactional, as simply money changing hands and nothing more, you're missing one of the most powerful drivers of business growth: humans. Humans want to do business with people they know, like, and trust. If you can tick all 3 of those boxes with your customers, they will reward you with their own dollars and those of their friends. So strive to build a rapport and relationship with your customers. Now, this is my favorite part of the tortoise way. Design your business to serve your lifestyle, not the other way around. Imagine being in the top 1% of earners while enjoying more freedom, independence, and autonomy. The tortoise way of doing business means that your business serves your lifestyle, not the other way around. If you take your time and do things properly, you will actually get to your destination faster than if you try to cut corners. Sometimes when you slow down, you actually go faster. Thank you for watching. Our channel is all about introducing the latest and most useful AI tools. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on the newest AI tools. See you in the next video.